Chatty beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making these fabulous tags. They're gorgeous, very gold, very sparkling. I have used my July VIP lounge papers, which is basically a subscription. It's a membership that I offer on my website. I know lots of creators offer memberships. Mine are simply £5 a month, less than the price of the coffee. Or you can pay once a year and you get it for 12 months as well. But before we crack on with the tags, let me show you the papers first. My VIP lounge papers for the month of July. If it's the first time that you're watching, hello and welcome. My VIP lounge is basically a monthly membership and I offer on my website. So 3 papers, you can get up to 3 packs. So the first pack is called Tropical Vibes and I'll let you guess why. I don't know about you guys, whatever you're watching in the world, but here in UK, we not had summer this year. I think summer is skipped. We had just a few random days of warmth and sunshine, but not much. So I'm a bit depressed. So I decided to create something floral tropical just to give some positive and floral and warmth vibes. So this kit has got 5 pages. This kit in my head is the best for card making because I can see, in fact, we'll probably do some card making together. I can see this page here being fabulous as a card background. Got another page, it's got Tropical Vibes, of course. You got this page here, which I have used to create the letter C, which I'll show you in a minute. Page number 4, Be More Rainbow. I love this page. And this is page number 5, which is, again, as you can see, the color palette is the same. There are, of course, multicoloral, but mostly is black, green, different shades of green. Okay, so this is kit number 1, Tropical Vibes. Kit number 2 is called Ephemera from the Past. This is for the vintage lovers on part of the membership. So all my VIP members, they love vintage. I tend to create 1 pack for them every month. Because I know vintage is not for everybody, but you know, these 3 kits, as you can see, they're very, very different. So anyway, so kit number 2 is called Ephemera from the Past. So you get full background, which is basically a collage or different ephemera. You get a page with, of course, ephemera. So you got a couple of postcards when I just play with some flowers, couple of plain elements that you guys can design and do what you want with it, and another postcard again. This is probably my favorite page, is page number 3, when you got the embellishment. So you get 6 butterflies shapes that you can either layer up, and then you've got 2 ovals and 2 rectangulars with a little ephemera there. So you can use this to, again, do embellishments or anything that you guys want. Page number 4, again, some more ephemera. And page number 5, which we do a project together soon, is just a page with tags. Okay, so I just put together 7 tags. 5 of those are quite, I would say small, because like a medium size, and 2 of those are large. Okay, so just give it a bit of variety. If I can speak, kit number 3 is called Circus Fun. Ta-da! So this is a requested kit from the lovely Susie. Susie is part of my VIP membership. So she's asked for a kit that is all about circus. So there you go. I made it for you, Susie. Big hugs and thank you, Susie. So it's quite a big kit. It's got loads of pages. So you've got 1 page with tickets and some ephemera. 1 page with a tent. Page number 3. I just played with different colors. So you got the boat player and the clown. Got another one, landscape. Love them. This is my favorite page of the kit, which we'll do a video together. So you create some embellishment. So there are doilies in all different colors. All the colors matches, and I'll show you in just a minute. Then you get another page. Yeah, this, I've been very generous with my VP members this month because all the kits are quite big. It's normally a 4 pages kit, but this, especially this one, is very large. I just put a couple of background with the artist and the clown, and then you've got another page with the tickets, and then another page with the postcards. Okay, so again, you can do anything that you want with this. So I love it, absolutely love it. I love the little elephant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's quite a large kit, so it's 8 pages. To be fair, you pay £5 up to £5 a month. I would normally charge that for a larger kit. So you get 3 kits, as we say. Oh yeah, color combination. Sorry, I was just I was rambling. So as you can see, the color palette is multicolored, but it's mainly this yellow, green, and blue. See, when I designed my VIP paper packs, I want everything to blend, everything to be mixed and match, so you guys can use it all together for larger projects. Okay, so anyway, so paper pack number 1, circus fun. Number 2, ephemera from the past. Number 3, tropical vibes. And then every month, we started 2 months ago with the letter A. So we made together a letter A gift box, or you can either use it as a standalone letter. Last month was the letter B, and that was the project. And this month it's the letter C, and I have used the tropical vibes to create the letter C. So what you get the paper. So of course I suggest you guys print this on cardstock, as I did. See, the letter is quite sturdy. It's cardstock. I think it's 160 GSM. So you got all your elements that you just simply cut, and there is a video tutorial that I will send a link to you guys that I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so it's part of the membership. You get a video that show you step by step how to put this together. So you get the front and the back, and then as an additional extra gift, as I said, this month I've been extremely generous. I'm joking. I'm giving you this is actually like that. I'm giving you a pillow box. When it's doing up, it looks like this. Okay, so it's very thick, and it's just very, very easy to make. You simply cut that. This is the 2 tabs, and that's the side. And I think it's super cute. Look, it's a lot of flowers, and it's fun. And there's the little gift boxes. If you're not, you put chocolate or cash or little treat or crafty treat or ephemera, anything that you want to give to somebody. And I think they're super cute. Okay, and then of course with the letter C, you get the instruction on how to assemble it. So basically these tabs here go there, this tab is on the side, these 3 are this one, and those 2 ones wrap around inside. And of course you get the letter C back, the reverse of it. So you get the front letter C and the back letter C, which is a mirrored image. But again, everything is explained in the video. Okay, guys, so the starting point, I have printed the pages, those 2 pages, on a very thick cardstock. Listen, this is 260 or 80 grams. Can't really remember GSM. So what I'm going to do, so this is in my head. This is going to be very, very simple. I'm going to fussy cut each tag, and then I'm going to fussy see how thick this is as well. And I'm going to fussy cut all the 6 butterflies. Okay, so what I have in my head, I just need to see if it works. I'm going to I've got this from Stampin' Up. It's called Butterfly Gala. It's a lovely stamp set, and I've got the matching die, the matching punch as well. So I'm going to punch these butterflies, okay, in gold on, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it looks white on camera, but it's a very, very, very pale blue. Because on this kit there is a lot of blue. Can you see there? There is like lots of baby blues, turquoise, It's a bit of pink. I was even debating if I do some in pink, but I do love the gold and baby blue as a contrast. It makes it very rich, very Renaissance inspired. So I do love the contrast, color combination of gold and baby blue. It's so rich. I really like it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to heat and emboss these butterflies in gold, okay, and then I will layer them on top of those. I was either debating if I stamp them directly on here, but you're gonna lose. I might try it and see. Give me one, give me one, give me this one. I think you're gonna lose. I think I'm gonna lose the detail. Let me try. Let me do a couple of. Let me do it on the one up print on paper. Because at least if it's wrong, if it's wrong, I mean, there's nothing right or wrong about crafting. But if we're not gonna like it, it's only on paper, because I don't want to waste this cardstock. I don't have many cardstocks left. But anyway, so let me fussy cut everything first, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I fussy cut the tags. I punched the butterflies, and what I've done with the other butterflies, with the Versamarker, the stylo pen, like a watermarker pen, this pen has two tips. One is more like a brush, like a bit thicker, and one end it's smaller. So what I did, I'm going around the butterfly and I embossed them as well in gold, because I think it's yeah, I thought it needed a bit of extra shimmer, glimmer, a bit of sparkle, if we want to call it like that. So in my head, what I thought we could do is simply layer them. Now, let me show you what I've done. This is the page from the kit. So I embossed directly on them, but I don't know if I like it, because it's a really nice effect, but I don't think you can see the second butterfly as much, because the bigger butterfly has got so many details. You've got the flowers, etc. And I think the gold butterflies on top is a bit lost. It was the same on the bottom here. It looks really nice, actually. I really like it as a flat butterfly. So it looks like it's two butterflies, one on top of another, but it's not the look I was aiming for. So what I wanted is something like that you could see there are two butterflies, if it makes sense. So the only thing I'm going to do now is simply put the layers together, and that is the job done. I'm going to leave the tags quite, not plain, because it's very detailed. I mean, these butterflies, they do their work for us. So I'm simply going to put that in there, press it. If I can have, yeah, my bone folder. So I press the body and I lift the wings. So like, it's not even straight, but yeah, straight now, or straighter. So that's one. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in here. Simple as, and that's it. I'm not going to do it. I was even contemplating to put gold around the tag, but I thought it would be a bit too much, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm just gonna press it down again. Oopsie, stay there. And I'm gonna lift the wings. I don't know if you can see, I hope I'm in shot. So I'm just lifting the wings of the first butterfly, so it looks like this. I'm not sure what you guys can see on camera, but it's you get lovely dimensions. You can probably see. You can emboss the tag in gold as well, but again, as I said, I think it's all about the butterflies. Okay, so let me do them more and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's all done. I put some gold thread in there just to all, you know, all to blend together. I don't think the golden is necessarily on the tag because I think the butterflies, they do all the talking. So let me zoom out a little more. So that's one. That's those two are the biggest. So in the kit you get two bigger bigger tags, and I think it's 5 or the other, but I've only done 6. So that's that. Love that. This is probably my favorite one because the butterfly is very, very big. I love that. And that one, they're all very similar, but yet everyone is different. I think it works. I love, love, love gold and baby blue. This tag is going to be really nice in a journal. I've got a couple of ideas I want to do in the next few weeks. So yeah, that's it, guys. Guys, I hope you like this project. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you where to find the VIP membership in case you guys want to subscribe and get lovely tons of kits every month straight into your email box, or you can just pay once a year or just a little bit every month. Let me show you where you can find it. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you're telling YouTube how much you like my content. As I said, if you want to join in, all the links are listed down below. If you don't want, it's absolutely fine. Let's have some fun. Guys, I'll see you on Friday for a very special freebie. And got a couple of videos I want to film today for next week as well. So I'm just going to go and keep crafting. Thank you so much for your love and support once again. And until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.